What is the value of the expression above in decimal form? I see a bunch of calculations, so let's keep PEMDAS in mind. And really all this means is we're going to calculate all of these exponents before we add the values together. So I'm going to rewrite the expression over here, 0 to the third plus 4 to the 0 plus 2 to the negative 1 plus negative 1 squared. So 0 to the third, that's 0 times 0 times 0. Anything times 0, including 0 itself, is just 0. So this is 0. Now 4 to the 0, what is that? We might want to use this rule that x to the 0, x could be anything here. X to the 0 is always 1. This is just the way it is. Anything to the 0 power is 1. You know what? Even 0 to the 0th power is 1, but that hurts my brain to think about, so let's not even worry about that. 4 to the 0th power, that's 1. Now 2 to the negative first, what's that? A negative exponent does not make the number negative. It's not super intuitive. The idea is 2 to the negative 1 would be the same thing as 1 over 2 to the first power. That's what it means to make a negative exponent. We're dividing it with 1 on top. And 1 over 2 to the first is just 2, so this is 1/2. So 2 to the negative first is 1/2. And now negative 1 squared, that's negative 1 times negative 1. That would be a positive 1, so this is 1. And we're adding all of these values together separately. So what do we get? The 0 and the 1, that makes 1. The 1/2 and the 1, that makes 1 and 1/2. And 1 plus 1 and 1/2 equals 2 and 1/2. Oh, we want it in a decimal? Sure, why not? That's 2.5. That's answer choice D.